1972 Plymouth Duster. We are working on replacing the wiring harness after it caught fire, and I'll show you what we believe happened. But we cannot confirm that or deny it to 100% because we weren't there. But see here that there are no bolts in the steering column. So when you turn the steering, it rotates the whole steering column. But you see that yellow wire there? I'm going to zoom in on that for you. And I'm going to turn your steering wheel. Yeah, because that's not an electrical fire waiting to happen. So here's what we believed happened. Initially, I thought the bulkhead connector had caught fire and caught the ignition coil wires and a few other wires on fire. As you can see here, this is the actual ignition coil wire, and it completely broke in half today when we pulled it off. But more importantly, if you look at this side of the connector, the camera turn around, that side of the connector, you see that is burnt. And then we come over here to our distributor cap, and that is burnt. So what we believe happened is that the ACE ignition coil is actually the cause of the fire, and all right, not the ACE, Excel, which we nope, we left disconnected here. So after we peeled back the wiring tape, we found this lovely connector here with 4 wires attached to it, as well as many others which we have already cut. And I punched the bolt head connector out because we've got a painless wiring harness. Here's our box, our wire loom kit. We got our harness here. We had it spread out earlier just so we can. It was indeed all there. So we've got to spread that out here in a little bit once I get the bolt head connector on. But I've got a little paint booth set up here so I could paint that. Put it into the firewall and then run the wiring harness through it and start laying out where it's going to go. Y'all stay tuned.
Hey man, the client wants to know if you're going to have this car done anytime soon.
It's looking rather painless, isn't it?
Hey Jamie, you got those connectors?
What connectors?